Hi guys, this is ON7OFF here in Brussels. I would like to show you my antenna system that I am using, because I get some requests from people like, what the heck are you using? You're sounding good. Nothing special actually. You've got the house that is over there, and I'm about, 65 meters away from the house. The shack is in the house, and actually I've got a very thick cable, coax cable, for my connection to the shack, because there is a long distance between the shack and the antenna setup. So you see here coming out of the ground some cables. This is the very thick open 7/8 inch. This is a RJ213 here, just compares to each other. So you see a very low loss cable, and this is my homemade switch here. This one here is a 1 to 4 switch box that I've made. I'm waiting for some new components, so I'm going to make a switch box that will have 6 antenna outputs, and I just control it by 3 simple cables here. So it's 3 phase to control 4 antennas, and also for the 6 phase I should normally only need 3 phase cable to control the 6 antenna outputs. That's the reason why I had to build it myself, because I don't have too many spare cables. I still have 2 times 3 cables, 3 phase cables here, and this is supposed to be used when I am going to use or have a tilt over tower for my beam antennas that I would like to construct. Now it's getting dark, so I just better move on. Right here, okay, you've got all these cables. There's one cable here, RJ58, which is a very lossy cable that I have here for my vertical, that is right there. This is my 40-meter vertical antenna. It's just a bazooka, and I will link the description on how to build this homemade antenna yourself along a fishing rod. And this fishing rod is actually carbon fiber. It's supposed to be glass fiber, but this is carbon fiber, and it's conductive, so you better just have something like a glass fiber. So eventually it worked out. I just had to trim the fishing rod so it makes the antenna resonant for 40 meters. And then this is the big famous tree, and this tree right here contains all my antennas and dipoles. If you look here, I'm not sure if it's going to be visible, but there is a wire antenna. Let me move to the end of the wire antenna, then it's going to be visible. That's my 80-meter antenna. That's my 80-meter wire antenna. It's right here. It's homebrew. Okay, so it's going to the tree, as you can see, like that. And that is the 80-meter antenna. Let me now go back to the tree. And that's going to be a tricky one to show you guys. But I think I should maybe move more to this location here. I think that's going to be a little bit more visible. Okay, you see that fishing rods hanging here? That one over here, that's in a horizontal position here. Okay, that here is my 20-meter dipole. So that's the 20-meter dipole there, and just in the tree at about 10 meters up in the air. And right behind the branches there, I'm trying to get away from the background, intensive background color. Try to darken it. You can barely see. There is a vertical Sirio new tornado that is good for 10 meters. It's maybe more visible from this part from here. Let me see if I can brighten things up a little bit. Can't. Anyway, if I would move away, you will see the Sirio sticking out of the tree. Oh, come on. Give me some light. You can barely see it. No, I don't think. Yeah, okay. There you go. Let me point my finger at it. You see? That's the tree, the magic tree. So, and just to come back to my setup here with the vertical, I forgot to mention, I don't have radials, but if you look closely, it's planted right in my chicken coop, right? And the chicken coop has fence on top of it. And this is another chicken coop. This is the chicken coop where the antenna is actually mounted. So, and you can see there is like fence on top of the chicken coop, and that functions as the radials for the 40-meter vertical antenna. So, and here, just want to show you my little chicken that you can see on the QRZ page as well. This is a very beautiful one. Come here, come here, come here, come here, beauty. That's Beauty. Come here, Beauty. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. So she's a very beautiful little silky bird. It's a naked neck. So she has a naked neck, which is actually a black colored skin that they have, these birds, these chicken. And she's really a beauty. Huh? You're a beauty, huh? So they're very tame. Okay, you go back. Okay, go with the rest. So that's it, guys. This is the overview of my antenna system. I'll make a separate video of my shack where you can see what I'm using. So very simple conditions. Trying to see if you can, yeah, maybe you can see it a little bit there, the vertical. Oh, there you go. Yeah, the vertical that sticks out. So it's barely visible that I'm a ham operator for my neighbors right now. So I hope that I could build a tilt over tower somewhere over here and get some, you know, quad antenna up and running somewhere in the springtime. Okay, this is it. Oscar November 7, Oscar Fox Fox, signing out. Bye-bye.